Ever wondered why your latte art doesn't turn out as expected? More often than not, the secret lies in your pouring technique. It's an art, a dance of sorts, that requires a blend of precision, control, and a dash of intuition. From the initial pour to the final flourish, each movement you make shapes the design that emerges in your cup. First off, let's talk speed. Pouring too quickly can cause the milk to break through the creamer, disrupting your design before it even begins. On the other hand, pouring too slowly might not give the milk enough momentum to create a design. Find that sweet spot in between, a steady rhythm that allows you to work your magic. Then there's the angle. A slight tilt can make a world of difference in controlling where the milk flows, helping you steer your design in the right direction. A bit of practice and patience can help you master this technique. Remember, pouring technique plays a significant role in creating that perfect latte art. Is your milk froth looking too bubbly or too thin? If so, you might not be achieving the ideal texture for latte art. Properly steamed milk should have a glossy sheen, almost like wet paint. It should be rich and velvety with tiny uniform bubbles. Too frothy, and your design will be lost in a sea of foam. Too thin, and your art will disperse, leaving a cloudy surface. To get it just right, consider your steam wand technique. Start by submerging the wand slightly below the milk surface. As the milk begins to froth, lower the pitcher to keep the wand near the surface, creating a whirlpool effect. This action introduces air, creating that velvety texture we're after. Temperature plays a key role too. Aim for a final temperature between 150 and 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Any hotter, the milk could scorch, affecting flavor and texture. Achieving the perfect milk texture is a game changer for your latte art. How's your espresso shot? Now, let's talk about the heart of your latte, the espresso. It's crucial to get this right as it lays the groundwork for your latte art. You see, the quality of your espresso extraction directly influences the contrast and definition of your design. What we're aiming for is a balanced and flavorful shot that complements your milk, not overpowers it. So how do we achieve this? It's all about the three key variables: grind size, dose, and extraction time. Think of these as the holy trinity of espresso extraction. Firstly, the grind size should be fine enough to allow for a steady flow of espresso, but not so fine that it becomes over-extracted. Secondly, the dose should be just right, not too much or too little. And finally, extraction time. Typically, it should be between 20 to 30 seconds to extract the perfect shot. Remember, a well-extracted espresso shot forms a solid base for your latte art. Mastering basic shapes is key to advancing your latte art. It's not just about creating a pretty picture on top of your latte, but about understanding how the milk interacts with the espresso. Start with the basics: hearts, rosettas, tulips. These designs form the foundation for more complex patterns and will help you build proficiency. Always remember, practice is paramount. The more you pour, the better you'll understand the dynamics of milk flow, the impact of your pour speed, and the influence of your pour angle. As you gain confidence with the basics, don't shy away from experimenting. Try varying your pouring height to add depth to your design. Adjust your pouring angle to create designs with more dimension. Just like how each coffee bean has its unique flavor profile, each pour is an expression of your creativity. So, keep experimenting, keep refining, and most importantly, keep pouring. With practice and experimentation, you'll be pouring intricate designs in no time.